Good morning, everybody. True Crime King here. All right, so instead of a reaction this morning, I'm going to be going over this ex parte motion to secure an out-of-state witness for Bethany Funke. I'm just going to be reading it word for word, and we're going to go over it because a lot of YouTubers out there are talking about Bethany Funke and what's going on, but they haven't even read this and they don't even really know what's actually going on, right? But here at True Crime King, we do it the right way. So I'm gonna go over it. I'm gonna read it to you, and we're gonna see exactly what the deal here is with Bethany Funke and Bryan Kohberger in this case. So here we go, guys. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. All right, so today we're going to be talking about all this Bethany Funke mess. I'm going to go through this subpoena, request for a subpoena for Bethany, and we'll try to get to the bottom of this Bethany Funke thing. All right, so here we go. State of Idaho versus Bryan Kohberger, Bryan C. Kohberger. Request for subpoena out of state commission. Okay, witness Bethany Grace Funke. Secure the attendance of an out-of-state witness. Ex parte motion for a certificate to secure the attendance of an out-of-state witness. Affidavit in support of motion of out-of-state service. So obviously she is not living in Idaho right now. She is out of state. All right, so let's try and see if we can. I'm almost positive it's the defense that is calling. But let's make sure here. All right, in the District Court of the 2nd Judicial District of the State of Idaho, in and for the County of Latah. Let's see, case number CR 2922-2805, certificate of an Idaho judge to secure the attendance of an out-of-state witness. All right. Having considered the defendant's ex parte motion for certificate to secure the attendance of an out-of-state witness, I, Megan E. Marshall, do hereby certify as follows. I am a magistrate judge for the 2nd Judicial District of the State of Idaho, which is in this case, Bryan Kohberger is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder under Idaho Code, blah, 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 punishable by death or life imprisonment, and 1 count of burglary, okay? I am the judge assigned to preside over the preliminary hearing. Bethany Funke, okay, here we go. That should occur on June 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. through June 30th. Okay, Bethany Funke may be a material witness for the defendant. Okay, so Kohberger and his team of lawyers or lawyer wants Bethany Funke to present evidence for him. Okay, so Bethany Funke may be a material witness for the defendant in this case, for the reasons stated in the affidavit of Richard Bethany. The presence of Bethany Funke is required at the Latah County Courthouse, located at 522 South Abram Street, Moscow, Idaho, beginning at 8 a.m. on June 28th, 2023. Under the laws of the state of Idaho, if Bethany Funke comes into this state in obedience of a summons requiring her presence at this hearing, she will not be subject to arrest or service of any process relating to matters that arose before she entered the state under summons. Okay. All right, so we got that out of the way. They want Bethany at this pretrial hearing for the defense for Kohberger. She has something that may help Bryan Kohberger. This certificate is made for the express purpose of being presented to a judge. Okay, let's see if we got anything else important here. Exhibit 2. Okay, so I guess Ann Taylor is still his attorney. Comes now. Let's see where's the date? I was looking for a date. Okay. Let's see. Comes now. Bryan C. Kohberger by and through his attorney, Ann Taylor, public defender. So she's a public defender, not a lawyer. Hereby moves this court for a certificate to assist in securing the attendance of Bethany Funke as a witness on behalf. You know what this might be? They might call Bethany in, right, and ask her what she saw, and she's probably gonna be like, I didn't see anything, right? And because she was asleep and on the first floor, so she probably didn't see anything, right? So obviously that's gonna help Kohberger, right? I mean, because Dylan actually saw him, or allegedly saw Bryan Kohberger, somebody that looks like Bryan Kohberger, right? But if they call Dylan in there, I mean Bethany in there, she's gonna say, I didn't see anything, I didn't hear anything, right? That could be one option, right? I'm just trying to think of what Bethany could possibly say that could help Kohberger, right? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But, let's see what else we got here. Richard Bethany. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck that up. I don't know how to pronounce it. Being first duly sworn upon oath, deposes and says, I am a criminal investigator hired by the defense to assist in the representation of Bryan Kohberger. Okay, so he's Richard Bethany. I was asked by Ann Taylor to investigate the alleged incident which led to the arrest of Bryan Kohberger. Bryan is, okay, the deaths took place in a 3-story home. There are 2 bedrooms on each floor. Remember, the first floor, it's got 1 bedroom and kind of like a half bedroom, right? I mean, it's not really a bedroom. It doesn't have any windows going outside. I saw a picture of it. I wouldn't consider it a bedroom. I would consider it maybe a large closet. But I don't know. The people were located in 2 bedrooms, one on the 2nd floor and on the 3rd floor. Bethany Funke's bedroom was on the 1st floor. The other surviving roommate's bedroom was on the 2nd floor. Bethany Funke was interviewed by police on several occasions. She disclosed things she heard and things she saw. Okay, so never mind. So Bethany was not asleep. She must have been awake, right? And heard and saw things, because it says it right here. Bethany Funke was present at the home 8 hours later when the police were called. When someone finally called 911, right? That didn't even live there, right? Which I don't know why Dylan didn't call still, but we're gonna find all that out. Okay, during the course of my investigation, it became known to me that Bethany Funke has information material to the charges against Mr. Kohberger. Portions of information Ms. Funke has is exculpatory to the defendant. Okay, so what does that mean? That means they're saying Bethany Funke has information that could get Bryan Kohberger off of these charges, right? That's what exculpatory means. Basically, to get him off. I mean, I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think they have anything near that. But they have to. Of course, they're gonna word it like that, right? They're his defense counsel. Ms. Funk's information is unique to her experiences and cannot be provided. So, yeah, they're going to ask Bethany what she heard and saw again, right? So, again, she most likely didn't see Bryan at all because she was downstairs, right? And if she, let's say she wasn't, she still could say, hey, I was downstairs in my bedroom. I didn't hear or see anything, right? I mean, I still can't understand what she could, other than that, she could say that would help Kohberger. Unless she says, I saw someone totally different than what Dylan saw, right? Which that wouldn't make sense. But, okay, let's see here. But yeah, I just wanted to go over this because everybody is talking about Bethany. They're not. They don't even really. They're not even going off of the actual motion that I have here in front of me, right? Um, from Ann Taylor. So I don't know. The ex parte motion for the certificate to secure the attendance of Bethany Funke. Okay, so here it is. We just went over it. Let me know what you guys think. I still think, unless it's been totally protected this whole time, and we know there's been leaks in this case, but we haven't heard anything from Bethany or anything about what Bethany may have said to the police when they got there, because obviously she said something. Because the defense and Kohberger's team want her there at this pre-trial and I guess at the trial. So you see it in front of you. I was gonna do a reaction this morning, but I thought this was more important. But yeah, okay. Bethany supposedly has exculpatory evidence for Bryan Kohberger. There you have it. Thanks again, Carrie, and everybody that's supporting me. I appreciate you guys. The channel is going up every day. Subscribers, members, going up every day. So until next time and tomorrow, True Crime King out.